Venus Freeze Training Video. Chapter 1 System Accessories. Before starting a treatment, make sure you have these items. Diamond Polar Applicator for face, neck, and arm treatments. Octipolar Applicator for abdomen, buttocks, and thigh treatments. Power cord. Glycerin. Glycerin is used as conductive material. The liquid form of glycerin is used for body treatments, and the gel form of glycerin is used for neck and face treatment. Infrared thermometer. The use of this thermometer is optional. It may be used to measure the temperature on the skin surface during the treatment. Chapter 2 System Setup. The applicators are connected to cables which should be plugged into the device before the device is turned on. Plug the octipolar cable into the matching socket on the back panel of the device. Turn the connector slowly until the pin is aligned with the indentation and insert the connector all the way in. Turn the connector cover in clockwise direction to lock it in this position. Repeat this step with the connector of the diamond polar cable, making sure you plug it into the right socket. Plug the power cord into the device and into an electrical socket, and turn on the device by pushing the on and off button. Chapter 3 System Software. The screen is a large touch screen. Once the device has been turned on, the main menu screen will be displayed with 4 different preset programs to choose from: anti-aging, skin tightening, cellulite reduction, and circumference reduction. In addition, there is an option to design your own program. Pressing the Tools button will allow selection of the system language and volume level, while pressing the Tutorial button will display the complete treatment protocol. Choose the desirable treatment by pressing on the Matching Program button. On the operating screen, an illustration with the available treatment areas is displayed on the left. When choosing a treatment area, the picture of the correct applicator will appear on the screen. The default settings of treatment time and intensity level of the MP² technology are recommended for good clinical results. They may be adjusted according to the client's characteristics. Pressing the Start button will start the treatment. The treatment may be paused at any time by pressing the Pause button. Resuming the treatment is done by pressing the Start button again. Pressing the Stop button will end the treatment and reset the values of treatment time and intensity level. The Back button is active only after the treatment has ended. Pressing it will take you back to the main menu screen. Chapter 4 Preparing for Treatment. Several preparations need to be made prior to treatment. First, clean the treatment area with wet wipes. Make sure to remove any jewelry or metal items from the treatment area. If you wish, measure the baseline temperature of the skin surface with an infrared thermometer. Then, apply glycerin to the treatment area and spread it generously. Use the liquid form or gel form of glycerin according to the treatment area. To summarize, there are 4 simple steps before starting a treatment. Clean the skin, remove metal items, measure temperature, and apply glycerin. Chapter 5 Treatment Objective. The objective of the treatment is to elevate the temperature of the skin surface. This is done in 2 steps. The first step is to elevate the temperature from baseline to endpoint. The second step is to maintain the endpoint temperature for the remaining time of the treatment. For best results, aim for the highest temperature that the client can tolerate. Infrared thermometer may be used to measure the temperature of the skin during the treatment. Chapter 6 Treatment Technique. Let's take a closer look at the specific technique used for treating the different areas. Buttocks. When treating this area and any other area of the body, Slide the applicator on the skin surface, drawing oval, round, or 8-figure shapes. Make sure the applicator is in constant motion and that all of the electrodes are in contact with the skin. It is recommended to apply slight pressure to the skin for maximum comfort of the patient. The operator may perform the treatment while sitting down. Thighs. Since the surface area of the thighs is large, the thighs are divided into 4 sections, and each section is treated separately. When treating the abdomen, it is recommended to divide it into 2 sections. Reach the endpoint temperature in the first section, then reach the endpoint temperature in the second section, and maintain the endpoint temperature in the 2 sections combined. The arms are divided into 4 sections, and each section is treated separately. The neck is treated as a single unit. Perform lifting and stretching movements and work your way along the jawlines as well. When treating the face, slide the applicator along the natural topography of the face. Perform lifting and stretching movements and stress the bone lines. It is recommended to divide the face into 6 sections and treat each section separately for approximately 5 minutes. Another alternative is to divide the face into 2 halves and treat each half separately. Chapter 7. The effect of energy level and speed of movement on skin temperature. In terms of skin temperature, working with lower energy level and slower applicator movement, as displayed on the left, is equivalent to working with higher energy level and faster applicator movement, as displayed on the right. Chapter 8. Treatment Procedure. Let's have a look at a complete face and body treatment, starting with the face. Clean the treatment area. Remove jewelry and metal items. Measure the baseline temperature if you wish. 32 degrees centigrade is the normal baseline temperature. Apply glycerin to the treatment area. Choose a program that is suitable for face treatment, anti-aging for instance. Notice that the face is the default treatment area for this program. Start the treatment. If you already know your client's tolerability to the treatment, you may increase the intensity level or the treatment time before starting the treatment. Reach the endpoint temperature by sliding the applicator on the skin surface. Once endpoint temperature has been achieved, maintain this temperature for the remaining treatment time. When the treatment has ended, clean the skin with wet wipes and the applicator with disinfectant wipes. Let's see how a complete body treatment is performed. Clean the treatment area. Remove jewelry and metal items. Apply glycerin to the treatment area. Measure baseline temperature if you wish. Choose a program that is suitable for body treatment, circumference reduction for example, and the desirable treatment area, the abdomen for instance. You may adjust the energy level or the treatment time. Start the treatment and reach the endpoint temperature by sliding the applicator on the skin surface. Once endpoint temperature has been achieved, maintain this temperature for the remaining treatment time. When the treatment has ended, clean the skin with wet wipes and the applicator with disinfectant wipes. There is no downtime required following a treatment with freeze, and the client may resume their daily activity immediately. Inform the client that the erythema and edema will diminish within less than 1 hour.